Alright, part 2, diagnosing voltage 12.6, that's fine. Everything we did on the bench test is now hooked up here. I'm going to go ahead and turn the key on. Now all we get is one click. Something's still wrong, so with our solenoid hooked up right here, we've got 12 volt. This over here is the trigger. I already checked all of our fuses here, they're fine. With the key on, we're getting 12 volt with our EEC relay, our fuel pump relay. And I'm not sure what exactly this one is, but they're all getting 12 volts. And we can make sure our ground is fine here, as well as the ground that we did over here. Those are good. That one's good. That one's good. So is that one. So all the grounds are good. We should only get one click at the starter. Diode works. Checked it. Nothing's wrong with the fuses. Nothing's wrong with the fuses in the cab either. Ignition switch is a newer one. I don't know what's wrong.